Hello, where are you going?
I'm going to the crime scene in Guldkroksskolan.
Okay, can we follow you?
Yes, come on.
There's a place downtown where the freaks will come around. It's a roar in the rock, it's a dirty people rock.
Here at Guldkroksskolan is pretty much chaos. Yesterday an old lady found a couple of bags with cocaine. The lady wants to be anonymous, but here she tells us about the story.
I was going on a walk with my dog Fifi, and then suddenly I found a strange bag.
Okay, how did the bag look like?
It's very small and it had some sort of white powder in it.
Okay, I've understood that you called the police as fast as you found the bag.
Yes, of course, I was petrified.
I understand, it must have been scary. Thanks for your time. Bye!
Bye!
Can you please tell us what happened after the police got to the scene?
Well, after the police got here, they took a very clear look at the bags and they decided that it would be better if an expert took a second look at the bag.
Do you have some drugs here?
Yes, I have a little bit here, if you see. And I think it's like cocaine or something. And we're waiting for the answer from the drug liberation
Okay.
in Stockholm, so it can take a few weeks.
Yes. Are you really 100% sure that it's cocaine?
Yes, I can taste a little bit here. I think it's cocaine. Really much. I think it's cocaine. Do you want to taste a little bit?
No thanks. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. I never felt so good in my life. Oh. And now me and my drugs are going home and have some fun. Goodbye.
The drug expert's gonna be very fine, even though she was a bit drunk. She and a police chief will soon be in the studio for more questions and more answers.